Hello everyone, my name is Isabel and welcome back to my personal finance channel, Your Friendly Budgetarian. Hi, if you are new here in my channel, I have been creating videos about personal finance as well as documenting my path towards financial freedom and starting it off by paying 6 figures worth of student loans. So if you want to follow along, please click the subscribe button down below. So for today's video, I will be doing a separate video for my net worth update for the month of February. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so as you guys can see, I have completely zoomed in towards my financial goals tracker spreadsheet that I did and introduced to you guys probably about 2 or 3 months ago. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, with my paycheck, I earned about $7,131. And this is all after taxes. So after my health insurance deductions, federal tax deductions, and my 401k deductions and all of that. So that's that. And right now I'm at about 16 or 15.41% towards my goal of having about $95,000 total. So I think I'm moving it in a good speed, I would say. So yeah, I don't think I need to do like much overtime shifts as long as I'm doing at least about 7,000, I believe, or at least about, you know, like $6,500 or something, then I should be good. Extra income, I did not have anything, but basically for my overall income is $8,410. So now to the exciting part of my net worth. So my remaining loans left is $34,800. I know I had set a goal for the month of February. I was hoping to get about less than $34,000 for my student loans, but I was not able to achieve that. But that's totally fine. We'll get by, and hopefully for this month, I will be able to surpass that $30,000 mark, or at least around $30,000. And then for sure, in April, I am hoping to be at the 20,000 mark. So that, I'm really excited. Total savings. All right, so as you guys know, the market is not really, performing well right now, but I just hope that everyone is safe out there. That's definitely much more important than like looking at the finances right now. But I'm just here basically to update you guys and just to be held accountable with my finances. So first things first, for my checkings, the amount remaining is about $440.31. I think I was honestly pushing it through because I really wanted to add more in my student loan payments, but I ended up being less than $500 in my buffer account or my checkings account. But that's fine. I mean, I will actually be, well, as of filming this, I was already paid like during the first week of March, so that's totally fine. For my high yield savings account, I have about $5,259.19 left. Technically, this should have been more, but I actually pulled $500 from this account to go to my traditional IRA or my Roth IRA because I was not able to contribute during the month of January, so I just kind of wanted to catch up basically. My high yield money market account, that is from Ally. Right now I'm not really contributing to that at all, so that would be $0. I technically transferred the money here to my M1 Spend Plus. That's my M1 high yield savings account because right now it's earning about 1% interest, so that's why. And again, if you guys want to sign up for an M1 Finance account, you can get a year worth free for their high yield savings account. If you use my link, you can definitely do that. And also I signed up for the M1, like their brokerage account. For the M1 Finance account, if you use my sign up link, you get $50 for free as long as you deposit about $100 for when you sign up for the first time, and then I get my $50 as well. So that money you can start using right away to invest. And so with that, for my brokerage accounts, for both my M1 Finance and my Wealthfront, I have a total of about $5,685.57. Now looking back at how much I contributed, I believe I put in $150. But even the change from last month was not that significant because again, our market is kind of in a dip right now, but that's totally fine. For my crypto, it's $74.37 right now as I'm filming this. I think it actually went up. The crypto is kind of weird. Sometimes it drastically goes down and then it drastically goes up. So right now it's at $80.65 for my account. So I guess that's good at least, right? For my HSA, I have contributed $150 right now. Whatever I'm putting in my HSA account is not being invested. It's just basically sitting there. I think as I reach a certain amount, then I will be able to invest that money. So for now, I'm just growing it there. I know I'm losing money technically with that, but that's totally fine because at least with HSA, you have a triple tax advantage. And then my remaining cash on hand is $49. And so those are all basically my liquid assets. So if ever I need to dip into one of those, it's totally fine. So it's $11,658.45. Next we have is my retirement accounts. So for my Roth or traditional IRA, I have about $14,939.72. Right now I am in the process of recharacterizing I can't say that word, but basically it's a redistribution of my Roth account because I surpassed the income limit for 2021, so I have to redistribute it, basically putting it back to traditional IRA and then doing the backdoor Roth. So it's still in the process. I don't know if it will be done once I upload this video, but we'll see. And definitely I'll give you guys an update. I know one of the commenters I have in one of my videos said that they're looking forward to that video. I know there's might be not a lot of people who are experiencing the same scenario, but once I finish the process with all of that, I will definitely upload a video about that. And for my thrift savings plans, my TSP/my 401k, I have about $30,155.81. So overall, my total net worth is about $45,095.53. Now, definitely I am not including my mortgage net worth yet because I don't know. I feel like since we are technically not in the process of selling our house, since we're still living in it, so I don't think I would want to include that yet. At some point, maybe I will, but not right now, especially the fact that I'm not necessarily paying half of the cost for our mortgage. It's more on my fiance. So I mean, technically we both signed up for this house, but like in my mind, like, you know, something to do with like not paying it equally. So I mean, sure, I pay off the bills, but but I mean, that's just how my mind works. So anyways, my total assets is $56,753.98. That was basically the tally for the savings account. I mean, for my savings and my retirement. So my net worth is $21,953.98. I am very happy about that. I really thought that, you know, my account will not grow, because if you look from last month's net worth, it was $18,949.39. And all this time I thought, since with the market dip and all of that, I thought that it will either be almost the same or like didn't change at all. But because I paid off my student loans, even though there's technically not much change with regards to my, you know, my investments. So like, for example, for my brokerage account, you could see that there's basically about $200 decrease. So yeah, I'm definitely happy. I can see my net worth growing, have that upward trend. And then again, when I'm trying to compare it from last year's net worth, so exactly in February of 2021, I have negative $59,941.85. So now it's at $21,953.98. I am definitely so happy about that. And yeah, I am just really grateful about the results for the month of February. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I do my finances, and if you guys want to watch more videos like this, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you guys will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. So with that said, hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!